Handling proposal revisions without endless back and forth emails can feel like a nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you how to handle those revisions smoothly and efficiently. Stick with me to the end, and I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, just for you, my viewers. Let's get into it. First, forget the email chains. Emailing back and forth to clarify revisions can quickly turn into a confusing mess. The key to handling proposal revisions efficiently is using a software solution that centralizes all communication and allows clients to leave specific feedback directly on the proposal. With our software, all changes are logged and tracked in real time, so there's no guesswork involved. You'll know exactly what's been updated and why. When you send out your proposal, make sure you're using a proposal tool that allows for easy collaboration. This software lets your clients highlight, comment on, and suggest edits directly within the document, eliminating the need for back and forth emails. No more scrambling to find which version of the document is the most recent or trying to interpret vague feedback from your clients. Another great feature is version control. If there's a question about a specific revision, you can refer to the previous version and see exactly what was changed. This removes all ambiguity. With our software, you can track every change, no matter how small, which keeps you in control and reduces the chances of mistakes slipping through the cracks. In addition, the software integrates with your calendar, so you can schedule follow-up calls directly from the platform. If a revision requires further clarification, you can easily hop on a video call to discuss it without ever leaving the software. This streamlines the process and keeps everything in one place. No more juggling emails and calendar invites. And here's a tip: customize the revision process to your needs. Our software lets you create approval workflows where clients approve changes in stages, giving you more control over the timeline and ensuring that nothing gets missed. Now, the key takeaway here is this: handling proposal revisions without back and forth emails is all about streamlining the process and using the right tools. By eliminating email chains and using software that centralizes feedback, you'll save time, avoid confusion, and keep things professional. Quick recap. First, use proposal software to centralize communication and feedback. Second, track revisions with version control. Third, schedule follow-up calls directly from the platform. And finally, customize approval workflows to fit your needs. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've discussed today. The link is in the description below. It's available only for you, my viewers. So, if you want to follow along and see how this works firsthand, check it out now. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.